Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua ni athiete na mbere na gukirira nyumba cia mohoro ni kiraugite ni wagi wa wigiririki riria nyumba ici irarekereria ripoti ciegie thirikari na atongoria matiganite.
This is a new world. So watu ya media karibuni kwa hii Kenya mpya. Tutazoeana pole pole.
Akiaria thukuru-ini wa University wa Jomo KENYATTA mwena wa JUJA county-ini ya KIAMBU hĩndĩ igongona rĩa kũhumbwo thũmbĩ kwa arutwo arĩa marĩkĩtie mathomo mao, Gachagua nĩoritie atongoria matiganĩte manyitanĩre gũthing'ĩrĩria nyũmba cia mohoro ithingate kĩhoto na waragania wĩra-inĩ wacio.
We want to ask leaders in this country to join Moses Kuria to hold the press to account. They must be accountable for what they write and what they say. And if they write lies, they must be countered with facts.
Agitetera minister wa Uganda na wonjoria Moses Kuria uri okoretwo agiukirirwo na njira nene thutha wake gukumuthurana na nyumba imwe ya mohoro guku bururi-ini. Gachagua ugite maitia ma Kuria ni kwaria maundu ria nyumba cia mohoro itarenda no giki ni kiambiriria gwacie nyingi.
Moses Kuria ameuliza nyinyi maswali tatu tu. You are all over, you are crying. You have seen nothing. There is nobody who is immune to accountability. Everybody must be accountable for your actions.
Gachagua niongereire kuga kwa ihinda iraya nyumba cia mohoro ikoretwo igiukirira atongoria na ndeto cia maheni itekurio no riu ni nginyagio nacio cikamurikagwo riria ciaregenyuka.
And I'm so happy the way the media has reacted to criticism. It's good you are feeling the way we feel. You have been hitting us left, right and center. Nobody has ever held you to account.
Oho Gachagua nioritie ruhonge rwa magoti ruthingatage mateta ma atongoria a giuteti makiria hindi ria atongoria mathitanga nyumba cia mohoro tore igoti riragiririe minister Kuria guthie na mbere kwaria ciegie nyumba iyo ya mohoro.
And the same way the courts have been persuaded to gag Moses Kuria from holding the press to account. I want the same courts, when leaders go to court and ask them to restrain the media from criticizing leaders, the same courts must give same orders so that we are fair. We must have equity and fairness.
Kwa ihinda thirikari ikoretwo ikionekana terokirira nyumba cia mohoro kurumirira miario ya Kuria thutha wa nyumba imwe ya mohoro gwikira nganja kana watho ni wathingatirwo hindi ya uguri wa maguta ma kuruga kuma nja wa bururi kugerera kambuni ya thirikari ya Kenya National Trading Corporation. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.